Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Benuo Apple Watch strap. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So this watch strap is in dark brown, but it's also available in brown as well as black. And here is some company information as well as product information. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by, of course, cutting apart the sticker, and then of course peeling back the sticky flap there on the packaging. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by, of course, popping the transparent box cover off. And then let's go ahead and remove the foam packaging as well. And of course, making sure that there's nothing else stuck under there. And let's go ahead and lift the watch strap from the box. And let's just make doubly sure that there's nothing else stowed away under that foam base there. Okay, so we've removed the watch strap from the box. Let's go ahead and put the box to the side somewhere. Okay, sorry for that slam there for the earphone or headphone users. We can pop it to the side right there. I think that should be fine. Or maybe to the right hand side right there perhaps. Okay, so that's the box and the strap clearly displayed on the tabletop. Now we can take a close-up look at the watch strap. So this is the Benuo Apple Watch strap for Series 1, 2, and 3 Apple Watches. And as I mentioned at the start of the video, this strap is in the dark brown color, but it's also available in black as well as brown. So you can see it is, of course, a two-piece strap. And it is made from leather, and it does have a very consistent and fine grain to it, as you can see. And the metal elements have a very high shine polish to them, and they're very nicely finished as well. So you can see on the lug side and the pin buckle right there, highly polished, and on the other end of the strap as well. So nice clear view of the entire strap right here in view. And let me shift that box up just a little bit so it doesn't take up too much and become too distracting with the foreground right here. So once again, nice close-up look right here. And I'm going to slide the strap right across the screen, or the lens of the camcorder. So you can see the nice finish and detail to this dark brown leather strap. So at the widest point, it is 24 millimeters wide. On the leather strap side of things, 24 millimeters wide right there across the widest point of the leather strap. Okay, and just to show you some close-up details, let's go ahead and separate the two parts of the strap. So of course, need to slide the keeper out, as you can see on the underside, just to give you that close-up look right there of the detail and the stitching that's involved. Very nice stitching on the strap with a nice microfiber felt type of finish on the underside. And you can see the Benuo branding as well right there. And the nicely finished pinholes for the pin buckle right there. Okay, so right here, I'm going to slide the strap. You can hear that creak and squeak of the strap being pretty new. So obviously I need to pull this end out from the keepers. So very nice and tight strap there. And there we go, the two pieces of the strap nicely separated, and you can see that fine grain leather right there. And you can even see that imperfection there of the crease in the leather. Okay, so nice, good look at the Benuo Apple Watch strap in dark brown. And just to show you the thickness as well, so you can see just how thick the metal elements as well as the leather strap thickness in good detail right there. And side by side, nice good view of the dark brown leather strap. I'm just going to slide that keeper further up the strap right there. And you can see the pinholes, plenty of pinholes there for very good adjustment for strapping onto your wrist. Okay, and underside together right there. Nice, good view. Of the close-up elements of the strap. I'm going to show you the lug side, of course. The connectors that go onto the watch. And on the underside as well, right there. So nice, good look. Okay. And of course, once again, give you that side profile once again, just to show you the detail and consistency in the construction of the strap right there. So the metal elements right there, the metal hardware, nicely polished, and it does have a brushed finish or satin finish, I would say, on the top end, and on the side, highly polished side profile right there, and the pin buckle as well. So nice pin buckle right there, highly polished once again. So just trying to get my fingers out of the way so you have a complete view or more wholesome view of the strap right there. I'm just showing you that pin buckle right there, and on the underside as well. So nice plain pin buckle or tang buckle fastening for the Benuo Apple Watch strap for Series 1, 2 as well as 3 Apple Watches. It's nice to see the consistent stitching on the watch strap. Nice and very fine detail. So a nice good look at the dark brown Benuo Apple Watch strap, which is also available in black as well as brown. And just to show you the kind of firmness of the strap, does have a nice and kind of medium firmness to the strap. You can see there is a decent level of padding in it. With that side view, you can see it does protrude slightly from the stitching ends. And on the underside, very smooth indeed. So a flexible strap made out of fine grain leather. So that's the Benuo Apple Watch strap. Thanks for watching and happy strapping!